napakaaga during the first quarter na na-injure si Akil. We know that he was brought to the hospital, so we hope for a speedy recovery for him. But how was the team able to regroup kaagad? And of course, yung efforts ng locals mo in stepping up and getting this win in the likes of Bong and New.
Yeah, I think Akil broke his nose. Couldn't, we had him checked. So it was kind of funny that there was no call made, diba? But I think that kind of motivated yung mga boys namin. It kind of kept us sharp. We get that first quarter lead. Rain or shine stuff. It's their first game. We know that they're a very very deep talented team. I mean, if you look at their roster, they've been improving through the draft. Uh, they've made some strides with the semis and they're tough. Really proud of the guys, most especially Norbert Torres. Obviously, we traded for him to Rain or shine. Norbert had a really big game. Our bench, obviously, Nu, Bong are the usual suspects here, but even si Jansen played well, Raymond played well. We needed those guys to step up because kulang nga kami, diba? We have 5 guys missing.
Coach, today was a completely different story on how Meralco won in comparison to your last game. What was the adjustments made and what was different today?
These guys were ready to play from the start. Our coaching staff challenged them, Coach Ned challenged them. We were doing some things in the first half that we shouldn't be doing. So, we want for our program, we want our program where it doesn't matter kung you're old or young, we expect a lot from them, we demand a lot from them. And good in the second half, we were still sharp. It's very hard to face rain or shine. They're well coached by Coach Cheng, they're always pumped. You saw right away from the start, iba yung mga mukha nila. They played very physical at the start.
Thanks, Coach. Bong, kanina we were talking about your leadership, lalo na the players are looking to you as one of the veterans. Gaano kalaki yung responsibilidad na napunta sa'yo, lalo na you played importless almost all of the game?
Una-una, pasalamat muna ako sa Panginoon kay Lord Jesus Christ sa magandang binigay na opportunity sa amin. And to answer sa question mo, yun nga, napag-usapan kanina na maraming mga players kasi na out sa team namin, especially si Alain, kaya CB, CJ. So malaking part sila sa team namin. Kaya shoutout sa mga players, sa mga teammates namin na talagang nag-step up sa game na to. Kaya gusto lang talaga namin maglaro, especially for Akil. Kasi isa siya sa lahat ng import na na-experience ko, isa siya yung pinaka talagang grabe magtrabaho sa practice namin. Grabe kami i-push. So, yun yung mga bagay na dapat mong kunin para sa personal na na growth. So ako, gaya ng sabi lagi nila Coach Nenad, Coach Luigi sa amin na ako, pwede na maging veterano, maging leader sa team namin. Kahit sino naman sa amin. Open kami, communication namin. So, kailangan lang namin gawin yung mga role namin and we support each other. So, yun yung pinaka maganda sa team namin. Talagang kung may opportunity, gagrab namin yung opportunity. Which is pinakita ng team, yung mga teammates namin na nag-step up talaga sila.
We are now opening the floor if the media has any questions.
Coach, congratulations on getting the share of the lead sa Commissioner's Cup.
Salamat.
Coach, although maaga pa naman but if in case na hindi pwede si Akil, parang madali sa inyong makahanap ng kapalit since you got 2 imports sa ESL, si Anche and DJ.
Yeah, they're both ready. I think DJ is a nice guy to have also. I think he's played overseas. He knows the game. He's a different dimension. Akil will play with one leg. Tingin ko dyan, kahit may mask yan, lalaro yan. So, this guy beside me had played through a mask. It's not gonna be easy, diba? But we just have to be also thankful and grateful for this win kasi at least we're 2-0. Right now we have to find a way the next few games how will be, right? But it's hard playing with the mask. Tama ka doon. We have those guys ready.
Coach, nagkainitan kanina between Coach Nenad, Poberga, and Coach Yeng.
Actually, andun in-explain na ni Coach Nenad, I think Bo spoke to him. So sabi ni Coach Nenad, parang I'm not talking to you, di ba? Tapos, I think kala ni Coach Yeng, from hearing it, sabi niya, don't talk to my player. Pero, si Bo ang nauna dun So, kiskisan lang. I think Coach Nenad just wanted to tell him na hindi siya, tapos umalis na siya. Mabait naman si Coach Nenad, hindi naman siya, you can see naman he's not the type to do that, to talk to players, to talk to it's not in him. So, but again, ito yung kailangan ng PBA. Minsan you want guys like this na ayaw magpatalo. di ba? Ayaw magpatalo ng rain or shine, ayaw magpatalo ng Meralco. It's good for the league.
Coach, next few games, I think relatively light opponent. How do you see those matches in the coming days?
Yeah, each team we respect. I think the thing there with Terra Firma, parang wala pa silang import so we have to see, right? We have 3 more games here before the 25th. I think we play Terra, then we have our EASL pa, and then I think we play Converge. May Converge pa kami. So, those are teams that the schedule kind of changes. We're not facing some of the deeper teams, but Converge is playing well too. Then we have the highest respect for Terra. The main thing for us right now is just to check on Akil also, right? And kung titignan namin, can he play with that? I think if it's si Bong dati may ganun di ba? May mask, pero it mahirap, di madali.
Bong, you've been playing hurt kasi nakapansin, lalo na no first game, parang may iniinda ka ba sa tuhod? Ano ba yung situation mo ngayon?
Yung time na yun talagang natamaan ako. Nakalimutan ko lang sino yung tumama sa akin. 3 beses kasi ako natamaan sa tuhod. So, yun, feeling ko din until now, naka-apekto din talaga kaya di rin ako makakakilos. Pero, yun nga, salamat sa Panginoon na kahit ganun man yung situation. Kulang kami sa tao. So, ako yung mindset ko talaga, gusto kong makatulong sa team. So, hanggat kaya makapaglaro, hindi naman siya ganun ka-seryoso. Talagang, yun nga, gusto ko matulungan yung team namin para manalo kami. Kasi ito yung magdidikta ng conference namin, yung mga first game namin, hanggang mga susunod na laro namin. So, ang goal namin is makapasok sa playoffs, tapos bahala na kung anong mangyari doon.
I can't say how proud I am of him. I'm a big fan kasi nakita ko rin yung maturity niya. Na if you look at Bong, his durability, nakikita ko. I mean, since we drafted him, I don't remember a game na absent siya. I don't remember a practice he's placed on one leg, bubog na he plays. It's nice to have if I'm looking not only as a coach, he's been under Coach Norm, Coach Nenad, me, but very proud of him, big fan. Just seeing the way he goes about every day.
Baka lumaki ulo ko niya ako.
Kailangan mo magka-anak. Kailangan mo magka-family.
On the way.
That concludes our post-game press conference. Congratulations to Meralco.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Salamat. Thank you.